1 year ago, I started right here on YouTube with 0 subscribers. And since then, I made more than $15,000 from my small YouTube channel using affiliate. And that's why I want to give you my suggestions on the best affiliate programs for beginners. So with that being said, let's get into it right here. So when first starting out with affiliate, it can feel a little overwhelming. There's all these different affiliate networks and you don't really know where to focus, where's the money, where's it a waste of time and all of that. And to be honest, you don't have any answers right now and you cannot find any answers from my video or any other video. The most important thing to do is just to take action and try things. Of course, it's good to have some kind of idea of what you want and choose a niche, try it out for 3 or 6 months, and then you learn from it and you get better over time. That's exactly what I did 1 year ago. I didn't know really anything. I didn't know where to start. I just knew there was different affiliate networks. I had some ideas of what was my interest. I like personal finance, business, moving to the US from Europe, like SaaS and like other things like that. That was kind of my ideas of where I wanted to focus. And of course I knew it was still too broad. I had to narrow it down, but that was kind of my starting point. And it's probably the same for you. You have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 interests and you can try to test out one of those. And then you need to try to match that with some different affiliate programs in a good, authentic way. So I think what you should do is to try to narrow it down as much as you can. So maybe you have 2 or 3 focus areas that you want to stick to. And then the next thing you want to do is to sign up for the different affiliate networks. So the ones I would recommend you to sign up for today is PartnerStack, Impact, and Awin. But I would say these 3 ones are the biggest ones, the most important ones, and they both cover B2B, B2C, and different industries and focus areas. So this way you'll have a good overview of what companies is there. And then also, if you have some companies you specifically like working with or you're thinking you want to work with, well, then just reach out to them, send them an email, give them a call, and then tell them, hey, you're starting out. If they have some kind of affiliate set up, maybe you can get 20% commission or whatever. That is often possible. It's just because some of these companies are not in these affiliate platforms and networks because maybe they have their own internal system or other ways of doing these commissions and partnerships, basically. So that's the first thing I would do. I have the links in the description to these 3 networks, PartnerStack, Impact, and Awin. Before we continue with this video, can you do me one big favor and hit the like and subscribe? That will help me so much make more videos like this. Thank you so much, and let's continue with this video. If you focus more on consumer products, of course, it's also a good idea to sign up for Amazon Associates. This way, you can just put in a link from Amazon and you get a commission. But these commissions are very low, so you really need to have a good niche and be very focused on maybe more like consumer products. So there's a little more other space. It's not something I've focused on, but you can do that if that's where your focus might be. Maybe you have some niche hobby thing, and then there is some more expensive products on Amazon that you could have these affiliate links to. So it is also an option, but the 3 other affiliate networks is probably where I would focus or where I have my experience, basically. And then when you're approved from these 3 networks, the first thing you should do is to just try to use some time, look what programs is there, look which ones match your interest the most. Of course, also look a little bit at the commission, the terms and all that, because some of them have really a lot better terms than others, so that's important. I also made videos where I talk more in detail about specific programs, what to look for and all. Those I'll also add in the description so you can check that out. Especially, I've talked a lot about PartnerStack, how to find good programs there, how I made a lot of money from that, but also Awin and Impact have. I've also made some videos there that you can check out as well. I would just go ahead, do some research, get a feeling of what companies is there that is interesting. It is a little easier with PartnerStack because they have less programs. They're a little more selective, where Awin and Impact have like thousands of programs, so it can be a little overwhelming. So it does take a little bit of time. Though my personal recommendation to you is to try to focus on PartnerStack. And the reason why I say this is because PartnerStack is B2B, SaaS, tech, and it is a little more technical, it is a little more difficult, but there's also much higher commission. And it also feels like a lot of these companies are more engaged versus some of the companies you find on Awin and Impact, where it is a little more like a big marketplace of companies. So you can easily spend time on some random company or you don't get the response you want, where I feel PartnerStack, it is a little bit more conversations you'll have with different companies and try to work a little closer with some of these. So this is really my recommendation, but of course, this really depends on what your channel is going to be about. So if you're not going to talk about anything about SaaS or anything like that, well, then don't do that. Then that's not your focus. But on the other hand, if you talk about things that is a little similar to me, well, then I would say PartnerStack would be a really good place to start out. Find some interesting companies there, talk with them, make a few videos. And we should give you a real example so it doesn't get too generic. Basically, when I started out 1 year ago, I found Deal, which I used in the past to get my visa to the US, and I've also used them for payroll. So this way I knew about this company already. I also had like kind of a authentic storyline, you know, me moving from Europe to the US and all, like there was a lot of potential here to build content around this. And that's why that have been very successful. And the same, you need to think, okay, have I used any of these companies? If yes, that is amazing. That is the perfect starting point for you, because it showed that you are already a customer and you like this product, versus if it's just something you see because you want to make some money. A viewer can easily see if it's just something you do just to make some money and not because you like this service or product. So that's something that's really important. The same goes for many other companies that I've worked with on YouTube. It's because I have my own personal experience even before I found them on one of these affiliate networks. So I would say this is a good starting point for you if you're just starting out with affiliate marketing. My best advice from here is to check out more of my videos where I go more detail, how to apply for these different partner programs, how to, you know, include the link, get the commission, all those things. I made other videos where I go more in detail. But basically, if you're just starting out, apply for these 3 programs, do some research, connect it with your own personal experience, and then there you have some of your answers on what kind of affiliate programs is interesting for your YouTube channel. I hope this helped. I hope it gave you a little bit of insight. Thank you so much for watching. Can you do me one big favor and hit the like and subscribe? That will help me so much make more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.